Smell of smoke in the morning. Waking up to that. Can't see the sun, huh? There, waking up to that. Smell of smoke in the morning. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. Anybody's seen me taking a video. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there's the kitchen. I'm gonna say hello to this pig. He's in horrible, horrible condition. I'm gonna say hello to this pig, right? It almost ate my face off the other day. Hello. Hello, how you doing? 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 I'll try to let you go free. I'll try to let you go free. Alright, man. Alright, woman. It's a female. Alright, man. Such a horrible condition, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna try to let that pig go free in the forest. Try my hardest, you know? Back here is where they put the people, the landowner, my friends, not my friends, but people that are, you know, so that's a banana. That's a banana tree, right? And I eat this stuff. Not the stuff, I eat from the land. I eat the land. I eat the land. Look at this. Oh, shit. I don't even want to touch it. Man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's some. All this stuff has never seen a chemical or fertilizer in its life. All this stuff is just. All this land's never seen a chemical or fertilizer. Oh man. I might go down to the river. Why not? Except it's kind of early. People might see me taking a video. I'm gonna go down to the river. I'll take another video.